What a beautiful morning. The sun is, huh? What happened to my voice? Maybe I must have switched voices with Yumi. I better tell her that. Yumi, I have your voice. Do you have my voice?
No. I have Kaz's voice.
Then who has my voice?
I do?
Ryou. You have my voice.
I know. If you have Yumi's voice and Yumi has Kaz's voice, who's my voice?
That who would be me.
Mom. You have Ryou's voice. If you have his voice, then who has yours?
I have Misaki's voice. And it seems to me that the province has ran into a sound glitch.
What's a sound glitch?
A sound glitch is when sounds of props or voices of people are swapped and mixed up. Just listen to Jang-Keng and Tekirai. They can even me out.
Sounds kinda weird, doesn't it? Even my basketball got boing. Hey, something's wrong with Kimi. She's acting like a police car siren.
Mom, what should we do?
We should fix all the sounds in this province. That'll work much quicker and more possible.
Be quiet, Kimi. Okay, let's see if someone or something in this neighborhood got their sounds mixed up.
Ami, Yuri and I have swapped each other's voices.
We need something that'll swap our voices back to our regular bodies. Is there anything in Bakku Pakku that'll help?
Sure. Will you check Bakku Pakku and find something I can use to swap sounds and voices back to each other's places? You have to say Bakku Pakku.
Ami needs something she can use to swap sounds and voices back together. Will this work? Will this work? Will this work? Yeah, the magic wand can help me change sounds and voices back together. Thanks for your help.
Ready. On the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hey. We got our voices back.
Thanks for your help.
You're welcome. I wonder what else we ought to fix. Oh. Yeah. Kimi sounds like a police car siren. This means she swapped sounds with the police car. Do you see the police car? Yeah, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do you see anything else that got its sound swapped during the sound glitch? Oh, Jang-Keng and Tekirai sound like taxi horns honking. This means they swapped sounds with the taxis. Do you see the taxis? Yeah, there they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tell me if you see anything else that got its sound swapped during the glitch. You see what? I see a dog trumpeting like an elephant. Looks like the dog and the elephant swapped each other's sounds as well. Do you see the elephant? Yeah, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Well, that's everything.
Not yet. My basketball is making explosion sounds. It must have swapped sounds with the explosion.
Do you see the explosion? Yeah, there it is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Only one thing hasn't been fixed. Our voices.
I just hope this voice fix works.
Hey, I got my voice back.
Oh yeah, well now I sound like Ryou.
This isn't my voice.
Can I have someone's attention please?
I can help with that. Ami, can you do your fix-it-up thing again?
Still wrong.
Why doesn't my voice sound like itself yet?
Not quite there yet, Ami.
Can you do that one more time?
Ami again.
I got my voice back.
So did I.
Well done, Amy. You fixed all the sounds and voices in this neighborhood. How about we go get some lunch?
I'm definitely hungry.